anga ya no danyore erebo gichora ward so mheshimiwa Irene Mayaka conferred upon me by the very people of West Sudan as the member of the constituency, and by the powers conferred on my OMP by Irene Mayaka by ODM party as a special member of parliament from West Sudan, we today unveil the launching of construction of Utanyore Modern Complex courtesy Safaricom Foundation.
Irene Nyakerario Mayaka. By God's favor. By God's favor. Dario Borogi. Dario Borogi. Dario Borogi. Dario Borogi. And to use Safaricom Foundation, God continue multiplying your profits. Honorable.
To M-Pesa Foundation and Safaricom, asanteni sana. We give a proposal in consultation with Mheshimiwa. We sent to them. We actually thought we get less amount, but wamekubali wanatupatia project ya 57 million. Will be a first class school in West Mugirango. So West Mugirango will be leading by example. All we is in supportive fashion, supportive